Here we come to the elevators at 1811 St. John's. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, here we go. All right, and I have my flashlight on, because check this out. You can see it moving. Here's your indicator. We'll watch this on the way up. Here's your COP, actually. It's pretty nice. Just Mad VR. And then there's your indicator. Let's watch the indicator going up. Whew. God, this thing is slow. Holy shit. Come on. Whew, that took forever. All right. There's the really? There's your cab. Be patient. There is the sensor. The door sensor. All right, let's watch it going down. Let's watch out here. Jesus Christ. Okay, there we go. It's pretty cool though that you can see it going down. All right, and that will be it. Yay! Oh wow, look at that cord. Not fucking cord. Drop keyhole. All right, that's it.